Okay guys, I just picked up the car. I'm currently in the forest, as you can maybe see. And in a few seconds I'm gonna show you the car I got. Let me show you. Let's cue the B-roll. Look how beautiful it is. It is a R8 5.2 liters V10, 610 horsepower. It's the V10 Plus edition. So it's a little bit faster than the normal one. It's around 610 horsepower with a naturally aspirated engine, which I can show you right here. It's huge, and it's the same engine the Lamborghini Huracan has. This is the 2017 model. It has around 19,000 kilometers on, which is practically kind of new. I really wanted the black color because I think it matches the R8 the best. I actually kind of like the wheels. Let me know what you guys think. What is special about the V10 Plus edition? Let me show you. The V10 Plus actually has more carbon parts. This spoiler is fully carbon. And there's some carbon parts over here also. Look at this. And this. It looks beautiful and it's a nice accent. And in my opinion, it gives the car a little bit more of an aggressive look. Oh, and one of the most important things, we have to of course rev it first. Okay, I actually put on my face cam now, so we can fully enjoy this car together. I cleaned this car earlier, but I'm not the best at cleaning. Sorry for that. The V10 engine, it's amazing. I think the V10 has the best sound, one of the best sounds. Especially the Carrera GT. Here you can see the engine again. What else do we have? Sports exhaust, very nice, very good sound. It's ridiculously loud, you will see it later on. Guys, if you watched this video until now, please leave a comment. It motivates me to do more videos. And we're gonna go for a ride soon. So the ride is gonna be the most entertaining part of this video. And the best thing, you can experience my driving skills, which aren't the best to be honest, but maybe they are a little bit better than a good friend of mine from Thailand. Wie bitte? Nein, bitte nicht, ich mache nur ein Foto. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see if no one is crossing the road. And we are currently in the middle of... We are in the middle of an Austrian forest in Lower Austria. It's a beautiful day, 17 degrees, and I'm so excited to enjoy this car with you. Woo! We have to wait for the degrees to go up a little. I would say 90, 95, so let's chill a little bit. Say it's truly spectacular here. It's a perfect road to drive on. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Once it goes above 6,000 RPMs, it feels like this car is on steroids. It's insane. I'm so happy to have this car, and I will... Whoa! And I wanted to say thank you for all the support over the last years. It has been an amazing journey, and because of you I was able to purchase this amazing car. No, I'm actually kidding. I've been doing YouTube, I guess, since 2 or 3 weeks. Thanks to my friend Pete, who invited me to his house and to drive his cars. Oh, and by the way, for the people asking, I know Pete from university. Yeah, if you're interested in how I was able to afford this car, I can make a separate video about it, talking about it. So leave a comment if you would like to see that. But I guess most of the people here are interested in cars, so I'm gonna show you cars on this channel, which makes the most sense. Oh, what the hell? Lady, what are you doing? Look at this. dirty this car is. It was probably in the garage quite long. Oh no. I feel so bad now presenting you this beauty in such a bad condition. Oh, and by the way, now that we are waiting for him to park, please like the video, leave a comment, and if you want, you can also subscribe. I have all my notifications on, so if you press the like button right now, I get in real time a notification on this phone, and I will see your name straight away. So thank you for everyone commenting, subscribing, liking. It means a lot to me, and I will post more if you show me that the content is halfway decent. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see in the future. Maybe we can do some car meets with this car, or some reactions, some public reactions. I think there's a lot of content. And if you would like me to tune this car, please give me your honest opinion what the best tune I would need is. Smart. Yeah, this car is pretty loud. As you can see, a lot of people are turning heads. I hope the video can give you a glimpse of what it sounds like, because I know the video, the microphones are always like a little bit faking it, so you can't fully hear it, but I think it's gonna be pretty good. Thank you. So ridiculous. Hope you can enjoy this ride with me as much as I do enjoy it. Oh my god, my phone. No! For the people wondering why these roads are that good and have so many corners, it's very normal here in Austria to find these kind of roads, because we have a lot of forests. Woo! We have a lot of forests, and you are allowed to go pretty fast here. It's about 20 minutes from the city center, these kind of roads, which is amazing. I think especially if you live in America or in Asia, I think a lot of roads are a bit, are mostly straight, and you don't have like a lot of corners. And most of the times the roads aren't as good. Oh, acceleration is so insane. The scary thing here is these corners are so tight sometimes that I'm kind of scared that there's like a mountain biker, which I don't see in the corners, so I have to be very careful here. Oh, and for those of you who didn't know, the Lamborghini Huracan actually shares 50%. Whoa! Holy! He nearly crashed into me. Those who didn't know, the Huracan shares 50% of the same auto parts as the R8. So they are nearly twins. And of course the mighty V10 engine is also the same. Okay, let's try to actually enjoy those roads without me talking. Oh, and one more cool fact about this car. The R8 in general is the first V10 Audi. They actually wanted to make a V12 Audi R8 with a diesel engine. You can look it up, it's quite insane. And sadly this line doesn't have a manual option anymore, it's only automatic. One iconic thing about those R8s with the manual transmissions is that click-clack sound. When you shift, it makes like a clack sound. And I read in like a lot of forums, people love that sound. So it's quite sad that they don't make any R8s with manual transmissions anymore. Audi actually stopped producing R8s, so there's no R8s coming out anymore. So hopefully this thing, maybe in 5 or 6 years or 10 years, goes up in price, because it's one of the last real dinosaurs with a V10, a roaring V10, naturally aspirated. And it's simply not in production anymore. And it was one of the first, it was the first Audi race car, supercar. Okay guys, I took off the first person view camera. Let's actually stop the engine. I just wanted to say as an outro, I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. It's a bit different than the ones in Thailand, but still, it's videos I can do here. It's videos, I'm back in my hometown. I'm gonna be visiting Pete again soon, and maybe we're gonna shoot more videos if he allows it. Please go to his Instagram and please message him and ask him kindly. But yeah, besides that, it was an amazing journey riding this car. And of course I'm gonna be riding it even more because I have it now for probably a long time until I switch it out for SVJ. But besides that, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Press the subscribe button. I hope the quality on the Osmo is good, and don't forget to leave a comment. It makes my day reading all those comments, and let me know if I should post more and what kind of content. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting a lot of behind the scenes stuff. And if you haven't watched it yet, I'm gonna link here the video of Pete and me in Thailand picking up the SVJ. It was such an epic video. If I think back, I get very emotional since we had such a good time, and it was literally my dream driving in a car like that, the SVJ and all the other cars Pete owns. So it is definitely an epic video, so you should definitely check that out. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope this video was kind of funny. I hope this video was entertaining for you, since that's literally the purpose of these videos. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. I'm probably gonna post one next week, so I'm gonna try to have a schedule now. Maybe post a video once per week so I can be consistent. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye!